Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing and review of the ultimate solid axle monster truck, ready to run by Losi. This is a 1/10 scale radio controlled monster truck, officially licensed by Monster Jam, cutting edge technology. I'm gonna turn this around. Here's the other side of the box. I'm not really going to do a whole lot of the different things, reading off a lot. I'm just going to unbox it for you guys. This is the other side of the box. Age recommendation and all kinds of things. Here is the other side of the box. Let me flip this over. The ultimate solid axle monster truck. So it's pretty much the same thing as the Losi Son of a Digger. There are some other parts that are just a different color, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna unbox this and dig right into it. Go in this box we get the instruction manual and some other batteries, battery strap, and some extra parts that you can put on if something breaks, and some extra parts in here also in this bag. And then we also get the Spectrum radio in this bag right here. So there's the radio. That is also pretty cool too, the Monster Jam logo and having Gravedigger, and that's what it looks like on this panel side of the box. And there's the other side. Here comes Gravedigger. Nice protective wrapping on the body. Looks very nice and clean. Like the green beadlock rings that they did and all the body of Gravedigger. Very nice. The wheelie bar here in the back is green. The roll bar is all green. So let's go ahead. Here's front shot of the front of the truck of Gravedigger. Let me go ahead now and flip up the body. Here's a closer shot. There is the Spectrum ESC right there to connect the battery tray. Underneath here then there is a plate for all the sponsors for the truck, a part of the so-called motor to look like the real deal. And there we go in the back how everything is put together with the roll cage, the body, and the lights. Let me see. Here we go. This line right here. We'll connect it and put the lights on. Nice looking beadlock rings. Here is the top of the body of Gravedigger. Give you that look for that flame job, and also that big sticker that they put on top of Gravedigger, bad to the bone. Let's go ahead and turn the remote on. And I already plugged the battery in, so let's put power to the ESC. Let's see the should give me the level of the battery. Grave Digger LMT beside the Son of a Digger LMT. Here's a shot of those red headlights. Awesome. See the driver in there. There we go. Didn't show you that before, so there's a shot. Here's a better shot of the front view. I didn't have it fully down underneath here. So underneath there's, you put the two pins through, body pins to hold it down, and then one on each side. Let me go ahead and turn this light off. Here's a view of Grave Digger and Son of a Digger looking at each other, ready to battle. There we go, the Losi LMT Grave Digger on the right hand side and the Axial SMT-10 on the left hand side, and there is a big difference in size comparison. Even though it says 1/10 scale, it is totally a different monster with the LMT Grave Digger, but it is very cool to also have both of them. You can do a lot with the SMT-10 and enjoy having both. Here's a view on the other side of Grave Digger. So this ends the unboxing and a short review of the Losi LMT Grave Digger. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.